So car repair, so car garage, back out here with the Subi. Today we're working on the rear end, specifically this Aero kit. We're going to be installing it. I got it from a company called Invictus Aero. They make these beautiful diffusers, splitter kits, front lip kits and stuff like that. I've actually been waiting to order this for a very long time, and it's finally here. I finally got it. Looks pretty cool. And it has the side pieces as well. So we're going to be installing this Aero kit on my car today. Hopefully it comes out nice. Let's do it. So as you can see, I just got it mocked up with tape right now, just to kind of get it referenced in. Just kind of wanted to get it mocked up so I can see what it'll look like, kind of get it lined up. Still have to add the two side parts that go on the side here. Have to add those, but so far so good. So that's what it looks like with everything just mocked up. I'm gonna go ahead and start drilling everything down, getting it actually sealed in. We'll just line it up better, make everything look a little better. And then I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. One hole drilled in. Let's go ahead and drill the next hole in. So far so good. Now we just got to get the button, we just got to button the middle down, and then we're all finished. Let's do it. The end result. This is how it looks once everything's put together and put on. As you can see, the diffuser is on. Looks pretty sweet. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I appreciate you guys for sticking around for the install. That's it guys. So car repair, so car garage. We out.